Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm working with the September Memory Keeping Kit from scrapbookingstore.com. It features the Echo Park Beautiful Life collection along with a few stickers from Maggie Holmes and Pebbles and an alpha thicker as well. Now, as you saw right there, I went through a few of the papers because I thought I was going to cut out those beautiful butterflies and layer them like so. But the fussy cutting of those tinier butterflies on that pattern paper was so difficult and they looked so wonky that I didn't like the way it looked. So I'm taking this paper called Stripes and I'm going to now make a second level layer of butterflies because I already cut them out on that red paper that you see with the polka dots. That one was called banners, and then this one's called stripes, and I did them like one size smaller on my Cameo so that we have a layered look. And with this one called stripes, I like both sides, so we have the rainbow side and then the white and the like cream side. And I love the layered of that look just alone, so I'm not going to fussy cut them out from that gorgeous pattern paper, but it is an option if you do like it. So then I thought about splitting the 12 by 12 in half and kind of featuring two of the pattern papers like the floral and the stripe. And I do like the look, but I feel like the butterflies get lost on that background with the soft little tiny flowers. So I hum and haw over maybe doing it with the other back side of another pattern paper that has like musical notes, but that too looks so busy. So in the meantime, as I ponder over which pattern paper to kind of split this paper with, I just layer them real quickly as you see. Some of them I do just 2 layers, and some of them, in order to use up the full 12 by 12 of them, I do them double of the larger one just to have like some more like wing flaps to fold up. And I want it to be like a soft little curvature, you know, down the marcation of where the lines, the papers would meet, so that it would be a little bit softer. See, and again, like I said, I'm trying out on musical note paper that also is in the kit, but it's like it's too busy and they get lost. So I was just like, you know what? Why am I fighting this? White cardstock it is. And so that's what will stay on through the course of this layout. I do cut the stripe pattern paper into 6 inches so that it's split equally on this layout. And like I said, I want a soft little curve of these floating butterflies away. And I'm really into butterflies because I think, when did I feature butterflies again with the cut file? So one of the summer kits, and I'm just loving the butterfly right now. I think I use it a lot on my layouts. It's like my spirit animal or something. So I wanted to do the ruffled look again that I featured in one of my previous layouts, so I'm kind of obsessed. And this is just normal tissue paper, like for gift wrap. I do not know if it's acid free or anything like that, but I wanted to kind of soften up the edge that would be where the pattern paper met, so it was a little bit softer and not just a harsh line on where I put it down. So I put ATG double-sided tape down, and then I just kind of fold up and ruffle down this tissue paper. And it's a simple technique. You've seen me do it before, and it just takes a little bit of time, and go very slow, and just, you know, remember to fold up and crinkle it and such. And it does take about 2 strips in order to get that look right there. Then this is just normal tracing paper, and I just wanted to add another element of softness before it reached the white cardstock. You can barely see it, but that was kind of the soft look I was going for. And now I'm adhering down the 6 inches of the pattern paper that would be there. So that's the look that we have. Now this stencil came in a pack with stamps. It's from Finnabar and it's from Michaels. And I'm looking at the packaging and I cannot really tell what the name of it's called. I am so sorry, but it was just like a double pack of this stencil and the stamps at Michael's recently. It's the Finnabar line. So why not add a few more butterflies with some golden light modeling paste I used on this layout in order for it to cut down on the dry time. So I'm just going around and placing it and using the different size butterflies. Again, I want like this whole like floating look to all these butterflies, and then I'll be adhering the paper ones down as well. So I thought I was going to use an element from the cut apart paper that said like "You are beautiful beyond words" right there, that I cut out and kind of have them evenly spaced with the photo. but I changed my mind on that. So you won't see that element last to the end. I do use a larger sticker from the cardstock sticker sheet that's included in the kit. And here you go, seeing me. I was just like, yeah, this is kind of better. And I like that I'm sticking with this, like, this red tone that's featured in the stripe paper, that sticker, and then in the butterflies itself. I use a few of the floral elements too. You'll see like another blue cluster of flowers get used around the photo shortly. And now it's just me placing the butterflies down where I think they are. Like, I didn't want them to overlap, which is why you see me kind of move around a lot of them. And I do flap up and bend up some of the wings as well. And then using, like I said, a few elements. Now, these stickers came in the kit as well. They are called, I want to say, Twilight. Where are they? They're somewhere around me. Twilight? Oh, hold on. Well, yeah. So it's just a nice, large gold font. And I wanted it to say, what did I want it to say? Because it said my heart, and then I needed something small just to stay there. And of course I was like, you know, kind of precious and this, that, and the other. But I came up with cutie pie, but in a unique way, because I'll write cutie and then I'll put pie, kind of going like a crossword puzzle, in which you will have the letters for the opposite word going vertically down instead of horizontal, which I think is a nice little element. These are the Maggie Home thickers that are included in the kit as well. I do not recall what collection these are from, but it has a tinier alpha, so I'll be using that maybe on another layout. And then these are the pebble stickers as well. I don't think I used anything from the pebbles, but I definitely went back. Here I am putting cutie pie on there. And I love that they're just gold. They're really, really cute for that reason to me. I do go in and add a few paint splatters with, not paint, splatters, but I'm using the Daler and Rowney inks. They're liquid acrylics, and it's called Genesis Green. It's just like a metallic apple green that I have been using on a few layouts. I used to love this stuff in doing splatters, and I've put it away, obviously, and lost track of it, and now I'm busting it out again. So I do have a coupon code down below, working with the scrapbookingstore.com. It's Evie and the number 10 for a discount on these wonderful scrapbooking kits that you can get. It's a subscription, or they have a store, and it's for 10% off your purchases. So I'll leave it linked down below. Thank you always for joining me, and until next time, everyone, bye!